We'll guide you through how to sell on Etsy with Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Etsy website. Sign into your Etsy account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your shop manager on the dashboard here. You can start by creating a new listing. You'll want to keep this open in a separate tab for easy switching. Now, in another tab, head over to Printify's website and log into your Printify account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once logged in, explore the catalog to find products you want to sell. Select a product and then use Printify's design tools to customize it with your unique design. Make sure your design is high quality and fits well on the product. After designing, save your product and click on the option to add it to your Etsy store. You'll need to connect your Etsy shop to Printify if you haven't done so before. Printify will guide you through this integration process, which involves allowing Printify access to your Etsy store. Once connected, you'll see your product appear in your Etsy shop's draft listings. Go back to your Etsy tab and find the new draft listing here. You can add details like the product title, description, price, and tags. Make sure to write a compelling description and use keywords that potential customers might search for. Set your desired price, considering both your costs and your profit margin. Finally, review all the information and hit the publish button to make your product live on Etsy. Remember to promote your new product through social media or Etsy's advertising options to reach a wider audience. Selling on Etsy with Printify is a seamless way to manage your inventory and fulfill orders efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.